Uh-oh, parentheses, 2 times, an entire package. What does that even mean? Relax. Parentheses are just a bag with stuff inside. 2 times the bag means 2 copies of everything in the bag. That's the whole episode. Let's unpack it.
Algebra from Scratch, Part 3, Popping Parentheses. 2 times the quantity x plus 3. The parentheses are a bag holding an x and a 3. The 2 out front says, you have 2 of these bags. So dump both bags out. An x and an x makes 2x. A 3 and a 3 makes 6. 2x plus 6. This move has a fancy name, distributing. The 2 gets handed to everyone inside the bag. The x gets multiplied, and so does the 3. Nobody escapes.
Back to our mystery. 2 times the bag of x plus 3 equals 14. New step first. Pop. The 2 goes to the x and to the 3. 2x plus 6 equals 14. The parentheses are gone. And now, this is last episode's homework difficulty. Peel. -6 from both sides. 2x equals 8. Divide by 2, both sides, x equals 4. Box it. Check it. X is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 bags of 7 is 14. The scale is happy. Pop, then peel.
Now, a warning. This next line might be the single most common mistake in all of algebra. 2 times the bag of x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3. No, the 3 was in the bag too. It also gets multiplied. Everyone inside gets the 2. 2x plus 6. Not sure which is right? Test with a real number. Let x be 1. 2 bags of 4 is 8. 2x plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Matches. The wrong version gives 5. Numbers always snitch on bad algebra.
Boss level. 4 times the bag of x plus 1 equals 2x plus 10. Parentheses and x on both sides. Everything we've ever learned, one equation. Step 1. Pop. The 4 goes to everyone in the bag. 4x plus 4 equals 2x plus 10. Step 2. Herd. X's on both sides. Subtract the smaller pile, 2x. 2x plus 4 equals 10. Step 3. Peel. -4 from both sides, 2x equals 6. Divide by 2. X equals 3. Box it in. Check. X is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 bags of 4 is 16. Other side, 2 3s plus 10, 16. Perfect balance. Pop, herd, peel. You now have the full toolkit.
The recap. 1. Parentheses are a bag. A number out front means that many bags. 2. Distribute, multiply everyone inside, nobody escapes. 3. Then it's the same old game. Herd the x's, peel the layers. Next time, fractions crash the party. What to do when x gets chopped in half. Spoiler, the scale saves us again.
A like tells the algorithm this classroom deserves students. Homework. 3 times the bag of x minus 1 equals 12. Pop it, peel it, comment your answer. I check every single one. Class dismissed.